from the town of Gulgong. It's a historic 1800s gold town, and here's the original horse watering trough. Symbols like this was left back in the day from one hobo to another. This symbol meant that there's an angry dog in town. Good road to follow. This symbol meant dangerous drinking water. Good place for a handout. Believe it or not, this symbol left from one banked vagabond to another means tell a pathetic story and it'll get you somewhere. This one means temperamental people. Symbol for good haystack for sleeping in. This is the symbol meaning I have gone home. The symbol for a good day's work can be found here. The Prince of Wales Hotel, where we just had a lunch for $6. Can you believe it? Fantastic. Next door to it is the Prince of Wales Opera House. On top of the Prince of Wales Hotel, you will find a gold panner on one side and a sheep shearer on the other side. This symbol, from one swagman to another, means that money is usually given here. Symbol means a good place for a handout. This means a good workhouse. The sky is the limit. The symbol for work before you eat. Symbol meaning dangerous people around here. Symbol meaning okay or all right. Just a shot down Gulgong Main Street. This is the Post Office Hotel, erected in 1904. The Gulgong Courthouse, built in 1899. This is the Gulgong Post Office. There is no date. Gulgong General Merchants and Traders, built in 1870. Established in 1904, this is a $10 town motel. Well, now you're looking at the whole town of Gulgong from the top of Flirtation Hill.